if you hate accounting and bookkeeping and keeping up with money, the way it'll generally manifest itself in your business is you'll accumulate all your receipts and give them all to your accountant once a quarter at the end of the year, or you'll potentially have your accountant do everything for you and you'll hardly ever look at your books, or never look at your P&L. You'll pretty much ignore all things money. You'll look at them, you know you should look at them, you'll look here and there, but you really don't keep an eye on things. You sort of check the bank account, make sure I have enough money. If I do, yeah, I can pay that bill. My accountant, bookkeeper will straighten everything out for me later. Totally understand that's how many business owners are. It's not the funnest side of the business, and for many, it's a confusing side of the business, which is another reason why so many of us dislike it. Is it's sort of confusing. There's a lot of stuff to know and learn and be good at, and it's just easier to delegate it off to somebody else. And I do think it's wise when that's not your area of strength to delegate it, but you as the owner, as the individual that wants to grow a big, highly profitable company, there's quite a bit you do need to understand even if you delegate it. There's a lot you really have to understand. No matter how much you hate it, you can't completely ignore it. It's pretty close to the most important part of the business. So this book, I want to make a recommendation, and I might have recommended it before. It's called Simple Numbers, Straight Talk, Big Profits. I've recommended it to so many people that I could have recommended it and you might have heard it. But if you haven't already bought it, if you haven't already read it, I really recommend you do. I feel like this is that accounting book that isn't accounting speak. It doesn't feel like you're going to a college accounting class. It doesn't feel like you're reading a dry, boring accounting book. This is the book that most people can read and understand, and many that I've recommended to said it's fantastic. Many that I've recommended it to that would never read another financial book found it to be highly valuable and got a lot from it. So check out this book. I'm thinking you'll find that it makes you a better business owner, a smarter business owner, a better employer, and you'll make more money because you do it. So if you haven't read it, read it. If you hate reading, get it on Audible. If you love the book and you want to go through it slow, buy it on Audible, buy the hard copy, go through it and make notes and do both. The more you listen to something, the more you'll absorb it. And so going through this one 3-4 times over a course of a year would be totally worth your time invested. You'll be happy you did. Hope that helps.